Hey, hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn a very powerful and a helpful function in Microsoft Excel, that is index match. Okay, so why we need index match? See, the thing is, suppose you are using VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP, it also do the same kind of work. Okay, if you are using VLOOKUP, so there you might know that VLOOKUP always deliver the result from the right side. Okay, so it will look up the result, and that result should be at the right side of your content, right side of your data. So it will not deliver the result if the result is at the left side. Okay, so in that case, what you can do is, suppose you are playing with a big data, you are large data you are dealing with. So what you can do is, in that case, if you want to use VLOOKUP, you need to copy the entire result sheet, entire result column, and then you need to keep it to the right side so that you can use VLOOKUP and you can get the result out of it. That is one of the problem, that is one of the biggest problem in VLOOKUP. So suppose you have that kind of data, now you are not supposed to do that kind of work. So what you can do is, you can use this function index and match. There are two functions actually, index and match. This is also very easy function we will use. I will show you how we can use it, and we can get the result from any place. Like, it should be at the right side, it should be at the left side, from anywhere we will get the data. Okay, and there also we can do lot more things, like we can create a data validation drop down, we can create, and we can get the result. We can fix the if error or if NA. For error checking, we can use another function as well. So I will show you how we can do this, how we can use this function index and match, and we can get the result out of it. Okay, so the thing is, first you look at your data, your reports, your data. So if your the data, if the result is at the right side, easily you can use VLOOKUP, so there is no problem, you can use VLOOKUP. But if your result is not at the right side, it is at the left side, so you use index match. This will help you a lot. Okay, so now also one upgrade version, the replacement of VLOOKUP, one function is there, that is called HLOOKUP. That is super awesome and super powerful. In the last video, I think I have shared that video. I have explained how HLOOKUP works. So if you are more curious about those things, that is also very helpful. If you use HLOOKUP, you will forget VLOOKUP, you will forget index match. Okay, but the for everyone will not get the access, because as of now I think Microsoft 365 users only, they can get the access of HLOOKUP. So if you don't have that access, so you can use VLOOKUP or index match. So in this particular video I will explain how we can use index match. Okay, so here the thing is, see, I have one I have created one table. There is some, suppose employee name is there, date of joining is there, label is there, job role is there, employee ID is there, location, year of experience, and salary is there. In your case might be big data, might be 10-15 columns are there, might be rows, might be 1,000, 50,000, 1 lakh data might be, but this function will help you a lot. Okay, so see here, I want to find out based on the employee ID, based on the employee ID, the employee name, what is the employee name, what is the job role. It is from the left side I am finding. Okay, and the right side I will find what is the salary. I will give employee ID, and Excel will give me the salary as well. So we will find out the result from the left side as well as the right side. Let's see how it works. Okay, so there is actually two functions, as I told you already. There are two functions I will use, that is index and match. So here employee ID I have given, and job role, employee name, and salary we will find it out. So the first thing, this is in a single sheet I am doing, and after this I will show you in a different sheet also. There is sheet number 1, 2, 3, different sheet also, how it works I will show you. Okay, then I will show you the data validation, then I will show you the error message, how you can customize your error message. Okay, so here the job role I will find it out. So the first thing is equal, I will write match function first, match, tab or open parenthesis. Now it is asking lookup value, what are you looking up? So I am looking up employee ID. Okay, so this is I am looking up. So now it is asking lookup array. I am looking up this employee ID, where it is. I need to select that range. I have given the employee ID where this employee ID belongs. So I need to select that range. So employee ID is here. I will select the entire range. Okay, be very careful whenever you are clicking, it should be till data. Okay, it should be till data, it should not be the entire E column. Okay, now I will press comma. Now it is asking exact match I need, less than or greater than match I need. Suppose if your result is numeric, like any discount, any price value, any amount, so in that case you can play with less than or greater than, like that. But for me, I will select the exact match as it is the job role. So I will select the exact match, 0 I will press, and I will close the bracket. I will press enter. So now it is saying the job role I am looking for, that is in the row number 4 it is available. So let's see, for row number 4 is this. So let's see, employee ID 4567. Oh no, this is not 4. It should be 4 because 1 is header. Okay, so here it is, employee ID 4567. It is number row number 4 it is available. Why it is row number 4? Because you can see row number 1 it is header only. Okay, but I don't need it. I need what? I need the job role I need. So it is here. So what I will do now, I will use index. So I will go here, index tab. Now it is asking what is your array. Array means the result I am looking for, that array I need to select. The result I am looking for, that array I need to select, the range I need to select. So let me drag it here. Okay, so I am looking for job role, right? So job role. So now I need to select this role, select this range. Okay, so somewhere you may have seen that they select a lot of ranges, like 2-3 ranges, but I don't need it. I need the exact range. I am looking for job role. I will select the job role column only. So now I will press comma. Now what it is asking? It is asking row number. So row number, you have already seen row number is 4, correct? We have got in the match function, we have got the row number, that is 4. So I will not do anything because row number is my match function. So now I will go at the end, comma. Now it is asking column number. Column number means the result that I am looking for, that column number I need. So I have selected only one column, right? So in that case, what I will do, I will press 1 only. In your case, suppose you are selecting the entire this from A to D, you are selecting. In that case, your column number will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you are selecting from here B, C, D. So your result is D section. That means 1, 2, 3. It should be 3. I have selected only one column where my result is. So that column is number 1. So number 1. Now I will close the bracket and now I will press enter. Now let's see. Job role is sales executive, where the employee ID is this 4567. So let's see, 4567 is the I have highlighted this color because we are playing with this employee code only. So 4567, and if you change it, it will be changed. Suppose now I want to do 5678. Let's see, it is dynamic 5678, correct? So now let's press enter. Now let's see, it's calling marketing. Let me maximize the place. Let me wrap it. Okay, I think okay. So now job role, it is dynamic. Okay, so if I change any employee ID, and later on we will learn how we can use data validation as well, so that we can get the result out of it. Okay, so if you change the employee ID, it will also be changed. Okay, so now you have got the idea. Now what I need the employee name. Okay, so employee name, where it is, employee name at the extreme left side, because employee ID is here, it is middle, and I need the result from the left side. Let's see how it works. So now also what I will do, the first I will write match function to make you understand. Match tab. What is my lookup value? I am looking for this value only, employee ID, and now it is asking lookup array. the lookup value that I'm looking for, that array I need to select, the range I need to select. The range is this employee ID. Here Excel will get this employee ID. Okay, so now press comma. Now it is asking exact match or the approximate match. So what I will do, I need exact match, I will write 0 only. Okay, now press enter. Now see, it will give me the row number is 5. Okay, let's see. So I will go to 6. So here it is 5678 is the employee code. It is belongs to row number 5. Okay, so yeah, row number we have got. Now we will use index function, index tab. Now it is asking the array. What is my array? What is my array means where my result is, that range I need to select. My result is employee name, this range. I will select this range, comma. Now it is asking what? Row number. So row number we have already got with the help of match function. The row number is 5. Okay, so I will keep it like that way. I will not do anything. Then I will go to the last end of the formula. Then here it is asking me the column number. So for me the column number will be 1, as I told you the concept. If you select 3 column, then where your result is, that column number you need to select. So for me, I have selected only 1 column. I have given only 1 range. So for me it is column number 1. So I have given column number 1. Now I will close the bracket, I will press enter. Now see, the employee name is Ankit Patel. Is it correct? Let me go 5678 this. Then let me go, is the name is Ankit Patel or not? Okay, let me change the employee code and let's see. It is dynamic how it is working. Let me take this one, 2345. Let me take. See, everything will be changed. The job role has been changed, data analyst, and the employee name has been changed, Priya Verma. Is it correct? 2345. Yes, Priya Verma, data analyst. Okay, so here it is. Now I will, the third example is the salary. Where the salary is the right side. My lookup value is like this. In the middle it is employee ID. I have got the result from the left side. And now I will get the result from right side as well. So let's see how it works. So this time what I will do, again I will use the match function. On directly you can do from index as well. For make you understand, I am using this in this way. So match lookup value is my employee ID, comma, lookup array, where is my where this employee ID belongs. So I will select this table, this column, comma. Now it is asking exact match or the greater than less than. So I need exact match. I will press close the bracket. Now see, it is asking row number 2. So ideally it should be 3. Okay, so let's see, it is 2. Employee code 2345. Okay, data analyst. Okay, Priya Verma, that is also okay. Now salary we will find out. Now what I will do, I will go index. Now it is asking array, where my result is. So my result is here at the salary section. I will provide the range, comma. Now it is asking the row number. So row number, as you know, row number is my match function. I will not do anything. I will go at the end, comma, and now column number, it should be 1 because I have selected only 1 column. Now I will close it, enter it. Now let's see, the salary is 75,000. 2345, the salary is 75,000. Now let me change once again the employee code. It is 7890. Let's see, 7890. I have generated it randomly from ChatGPT. So see, 7890, right? 7890, this row I have taken. So let's see, 7890, job role is data analyst. Okay, employee name is Rahul Joshi. Okay, salary is 80,000. So it has delivered me the correct data. Correct. So now I think you have got the idea how you can use index and match function. There are two functions, index and match. How it works, you have got the idea. Now I will show you few more things. Suppose in a single sheet we have done it, right? In a single sheet we have done it. All the data were available, like employee name, job role, and salary. All these things were available in a single sheet. That's why we could do this thing. Correct. So now If we want to do in a different sheet, suppose sheet number 1, it is only employee name and job role is there. Sheet number 2, it is suppose employee name, employee code, location, number of years, these things are there. And sheet number 3, my employee ID is there, location is there, and salary is there. Now I need these details because employee ID, employee name, job role, and salary, these things I want, because and all the data are in the different sheet. It is not in a single sheet, because here you can see employee ID is here, employee name is here, it is okay, but job role, it is not here. Job role is there in sheet 1, and again salary is not there. Salary is there in sheet number 3. So will it work? Let's see how it works or not. So I will do this time, I will be really fast. I will start from index. Now it is asking for array. Array means what? Oh sorry, let me take any employee ID first. Here I will copy the first one, I will paste it. Now see, I am looking for the employee ID, employee name, correct? Employee ID is already there. Based on employee ID, I will get all the details: employee name, job role, and salary. So equal index array. What is my array? What is my array means where my result is. My result is here. I want to get the name only, right? So now I will select the range. Okay, now it is asking row number. So in the place of row number, I will select the match function. Match, open bracket or open parenthesis or tab I can press. So lookup value, what I am looking up? So I am looking up this employee ID. Okay, so now it is asking lookup array, the things that I am looking up, where that is belongs, that range I need to select. So where it is, employee ID I am looking up. So now where employee ID is, this range, I need to select this range, comma. Now it is asking exact match or the greater than less than. I need exact match, I will press 0, comma 0, close the bracket. Okay, now the match function is completed. Now index function is pending. Now it is asking index array I have given. Index array means my result, index row number, that is my match function. And now if I press comma, it will continue with the index function. It is asking column number, the result that I am looking up, where it is. So I will say my result is in the column number 1. So I will press 1, I will close it, double quotation it should be. Now let's press enter. Oh no, it should not double quotation. Already we have closed the match function, and one quotation, one bracket it will be there. So let's press enter. So now see here, the employee, based on this employee ID, the employee name is Arjun Sharma. Is it correct? Based on 1023, the name is employee name Arjun Sharma, correct? It is also dynamic. If I change the employee code, it will, the rest details will be changed automatically. Now I will look up the job role based on the employee ID. Okay, so now again equal index. Now it is asking array, where my result is. My result is job role, correct? So here I will go sheet 1, I will select this range. This is my array. Now row number, instead of row number, what I will do, I will write match function. Lookup value, what I am looking up, I am looking up this employee code. Okay, now it is asking lookup array, that where I will get the lookup, that range I need to provide, where I will get the employee ID, that range I need to select, it is here, comma. Now it is asking greater than equal only exact match, I need exact match, I will close the bracket, comma. Now it is asking the result that I am looking up, the column number, where that result belongs. So I have selected only one column, right? So now I will write only 1. I will close the bracket. Let's press enter. I think I did something wrong. I will go here, I will remove it. the column number is 1, correct? So by default it has taken the sheet name employee details 1, that's why the error came. Anyway, so now it is correct. Let's press enter. Now the job role is software engineer. Let's check, is it correct? Arjun Sharma, whose employee ID is 1023, his job role is software engineer. Let's see. Arjun Sharma, software engineer, employee ID is 1023. Okay, we have got the details. Now I will go to the salary section. Where the salary section is, it is at the sheet number 3. Okay, here my salary is. Okay, so what I will do, index, okay, tab, array means where my result is. My result is here, salary section. Okay, I will select it. Now row number, instead of row number I will write match function. Tab, lookup value, what I am looking up, I am looking up this employee ID. Okay, now what is it, lookup array, where I will get the lookup value, that range I need to select. I have selected employee ID, so employee ID range I need to select, comma. Now it is asking exact match or less than, greater than, exact match I need. Okay, I will close the match function. Now comma. Now index match, index is still alive, so index it is asking column number. You need to follow this bar. Okay, so the column number, my result is here, so I have selected only one column, so my column number will be 1. Okay, close it. Let's press enter. Now let's see the employee code 1023, employee code 1023, name is Arjun Sharma, job role is software engineer. Okay, software engineer job role, and salary is 1023, salary is 85,000. Now it is very much dynamic. Now you can change the employee code and you can see whether all the things are changing or not. Let's take 2345. Let's see, everything has been changed. The name is Priya Verma, it will be data analyst. Okay, Priya Verma, data analyst, and the salary is 2345, salary is 75,000. So here it is 75,000. So now I think you have got the idea how you can use index and match function, and you can get the result from the left side itself and the right side itself. You can get the result. Okay, now another thing I want to share with you, suppose you are entering some wrong data. Suppose this employee code is not available. Okay, let me go here. Okay, suppose you are entering something here also and here also, anywhere you can do it. The concept is pretty clear and the same. Suppose here I am writing any invalid employee name, 78900. Suppose, see here the NA is coming, the error is coming. Now what you can do is you can customize this NA. Okay, how you can do it? So I will select this, I will go at the beginning, very simple, if error tab, I will go extreme right and the end of the section. Now it is asking, after providing the comma, it is asking value if error. If error, then what value you want to highlight. So I will say, please check the ID number. Please check the employee ID. Please check the employee ID. It should be within quotation. Okay, whenever you are writing any text, it should be in quotation only. Now I will close it. Now let's see. For this I have customized the error. I have instead of NA it is coming, please check the error employee ID. Okay, because it is incorrect. Now another function is if error. I used here if error function. Okay, now for this I will use another function. This is the bonus tip. If NA also you can use. If NA tab, sorry, what I did, off NA I did. It should be if NA tab. Now value is this. I will go end of the formula, comma. Now it is asking if NA, what value you want to show. I will say check ID or let me go quotation, employee ID not correct. Okay, I will close it. Let's press enter. So here also the same thing, employee ID, instead of error message it is highlighting the thing, employee ID not correct, please check the employee ID. So you have got the idea how you can rectify, how you can customize the error message if it is there, and you can customize it. Okay, now you have got the idea. So in a single sheet you have learned, in a single sheet how we can use index and match, in a different sheet how we can use index and match function, and then how we can rectify that, how we can rectify and customize the error message, that also you have learned. Now one more thing you will learn here, that is data validation. Data validation means, as I told you, it is very dynamic. This field is very dynamic field. Okay, and if I change the employee ID, automatically all the data will be changed. Okay, so what I will do is I will create a data validation. So let me, a drop down I will create. If you want to learn more about data validation, a specific video is there. There data validation, entire data validation things are covered, so you can watch that video. So here what I will do, I will click this cell, I will go to data, I will go to data tools, here data validation. Now I need to select list. Okay, now I need to provide the source. My source is like employee ID, so employee ID source, the entire employee ID I will select. Okay, now I will provide comma, okay. Now see, one drop down has been created. Okay, so now what I will do, instead of typing, what I will do, I will select from drop down, and the details will automatically changed. Okay, so here 5678 Ankit. Okay, now I will select 12. Now see Aditya. Okay, I will select 2346 Ishita. See, and now as I already told you, here also you can create a data validation, and whenever if it is the correct data, of course it will come here. It will come, the details will come automatically. Otherwise what will happen, if any error message is there, instead of NA you can showcase your customize message. Okay, that is it. And one more bonus I want to share with you. As I told you, it is a dynamic field. It is a best practice. Whenever you have any data, you convert that data into a table only. So there are a lot of benefits. In a different video I have shared what is the benefit of using a table, so you can watch that video as well. The one of the benefit is it is dynamic. So whenever you will add something, it will take the details. Suppose here let me edit one thing. Let me 1000. Suppose this is the employee ID. 1000 is the employee ID. 4 digit. Okay, 1000. So here whenever I am entering this employee ID, this is not listed here. Okay, so the NA is coming. Okay, got it. Now what I can do is, suppose here I will write my name. See, whenever I have entered my name, automatically a table took this cell as a range. Okay, so now I will write employee 1000. Okay, Kolkata, Bangalore. Okay, now suppose here of experience 5 I am writing. Okay, so now I have added this. Correct, I have added this. Previously it was not there, 100. So now let's see, 100 is 1000 is there or not. See here 1000 automatically it has taken. Now no error will come. Here the salary section, the error is coming because here I did not add that details. Okay, so that's why. Anyway, no problem. So I think you have got the idea. So whenever you have some data, you convert that data into a table. So whenever you will add something, that time automatically table will catch that data and it will show it will be there in your result section. Okay, so I think it's a pretty long video and I think you have got the idea. Okay, so here you have learned 4-5 kinds of things, like single sheet index match, different sheet index match, then data validation, error checking, and what is the benefit of table format, so that you can, if you add in future, suppose you are adding another 100 data, another 50 data, another 1000 data, so it will come to your calculation. It in separately you are not supposed to create another formula and function. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I am hoping that you have got the idea how we can use the index match function and how we can get the benefit out of it. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video where I will share any another Excel function or any other formulas. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.